Do you want to see a $100 Swagbucks payment proof and also want to know more about how long it takes to earn on this platform? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different free ways to make some extra money online, and one of the popular platforms and one that many of my viewers love is called Swagbucks. And many of you have therefore also asked me about payment proof because of course you want to make sure that whatever you spend your time on actually does pay. And therefore I decided to record this video where I'll show you exactly how to redeem from Swagbucks, show you a $100 payment proof, and also talk a little bit more about how fast and how much you can expect to earn on this platform so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So before I log in and show you the payment proof, let's just first clarify that Swagbucks is available in more or less all countries, but how many opportunities you will get to earn will vary from country to country. We'll talk a little bit more about the overall earning potential later. I also just want to make it clear this is not a full Swagbucks tutorial. I have that on my website. I will leave a link to that below where you can read all about the different ways to earn. This video instead, I want to focus on the payment proof, showing how to redeem and talk a little bit more about how long it takes to earn in general here. So I have now logged into Swagbucks and let's just get straight to it. You can see the points I've earned up here, and you can see also here I can redeem them. So right now I have almost 22,000 points, or Swagbucks as they are called, and then I can just click and see the different reward options. You can search up here for specific reward if you want to know if that's available. You can also just scroll through, or you can sort it all over here. In some countries it has a huge amount of different gift cards you can choose from. In others, not so many options. And also the exact payout threshold, how much you need to earn before you can redeem, that can also vary from country to country. But you can see the options I have right now. Here I can redeem already when I've earned 100 points, meaning €1 for example. So it's a very low payout threshold for certain rewards. But also, for example, if I want to get paid in Payoneer, and I actually love that they offer both PayPal and Payoneer because it's just good to have that choice. And Payoneer, however, you need to earn $52 to redeem. But let's also just look at PayPal because that's what I will show in this video. Many of you have asked me for PayPal payment proof, so that's what I would go for. You can see I would need to earn $10. Again, this can vary from country to country, and I have 10,000 points. You can see I have almost 22,000, so that means like I actually almost have enough for 250, but not quite yet. So I will go for the $100 there. That is 10,000 SB, meaning Swagbucks. So I will just choose this option. And here you just get a little bit more information about it. You can also see that they say that you need to allow 3 to 10 business days for the payment to be transferred. So, you know, it doesn't happen instantly, so just be aware of that. You can see also here other rules, what they say, what you need to be aware of. But if you can accept all that, you can just click to claim a gift card. It's not actually a gift card in this case, it's actually PayPal cash, but that's just what they call it no matter what reward you claim. And then you just again need to confirm, and there's some private information. Of course I blurred that out, but what you just need to know is that you can see here there's $100 there, how many points it is, and then I need to confirm. And then you need to just double check the email address there and the security question. That's something that you have set once you actually create your account there, and then you need to submit it. And you see, that is it. Then I have actually redeemed it. But also, if it's your first time redeeming, then there might be some more verification. You need to make sure, for example, that you have a verified PayPal account if you withdraw via PayPal. With gift cards, it can be a little bit different, also with Payoneer. But in general, the first time you withdraw, there will be more steps because they have a lot of fraud. So they want to make sure that you don't get paid if you have cheated or broken the terms in any way. So there will be extra verification. I just want to make this clear. But then once you've done it a few times, then it goes very smooth. So all you then just have to do is just wait, and then the money will get into your PayPal account if that's your chosen reward. Payoneer, if you have chosen that, or gift card you will get via email. But I will also leave a screenshot here on the screen that shows the payment proof, the email from PayPal I got, so you can see that the money actually did go into my account. There I will also write exactly how long it took. As I mentioned earlier, it can take 3 to 10 business days. Sometimes it goes faster. So just be aware of that. Do not panic if you haven't received it after a couple of days, just to make that clear. But as you can see, it actually does pay. So let's now talk about how much can you earn and how long has it taken me to earn these $100. So I know that now I will get a lot of questions about how long will it take me to earn $100. And I cannot give an exact answer for that because that's how it works with get paid to sites. I can talk a little bit more about how long it has taken for me, but it's very important to understand when it comes to Swagbucks and many other get paid to sites for that matter, how much you can earn depends a lot on the country you live in. On Swagbucks, for example, it has way more opportunities or earning opportunities, different ways to earn. If you live, for example, in the US, UK, Canada, Australia, Germany, France, Spain, or Ireland, that's the countries where you have the most opportunities. But you can join from more or less all countries, and you can see also that then you can answer service, you can take paid offers, you can get cash back when you shop online, you can claim daily bonuses, you can search online and earn. There's a lot of different ways to earn, but in some countries, there just are more opportunities than in others. There's nothing you can do about that. If you try to fake your country, you will get banned, so do not try to do that. Just want to make that clear. But in some countries, you can earn quite good money every single day. Maybe sometimes you have a day where you can easily earn $5, sometimes $10, sometimes maybe 20 or more if you take some really great paid offers. But in others, you might struggle to earn a couple of dollars per day because, you know, that's just how it is. Also, to be completely transparent, quite a bit of what I have earned here is from the referral program because you can also invite others and then you will earn commissions like that. And some people will say, yeah, but then if you've earned some of it by referring others, it doesn't really prove that it pays. Well, it really does because I only earn commissions if people that I have invited also earn. So this shows that if I have actually earned $100, you know, not all of it is commissions from referral program, but quite a bit of it is. I'm not sure exactly how much, a big percentage, but the thing is, I would not have earned anything from the referral program if people that joined through my referral link did not earn. That's important to understand because I get a commission from Swagbucks. You would also do that if you invite others when other people earn. So that's what people just have to understand because I, know how it goes because I get these comments every time I show payment proof and they say, you can earn this way. I've earned through some of the methods. I've also earned through the referral program, and then people get upset, say, oh, it doesn't prove, but it does because you need to understand how a referral program works. And even without a referral program, you can earn quite good money on Swagbucks in some countries because it just has so many different ways to earn. It's not a way to make a full-time income. That's very important to understand. It will not make you rich, but it is one of the very popular get paid to site that has paid out millions to its users, and it has existed for many years. You just need to do it with the right expectations, and then definitely it can give some nice ways to earn a bit of extra money online completely for free. So to sum it all up, as you can see, Swagbucks definitely does pay. I've been paid by it many times. This is just one of the times, and many of you have asked for an updated payment proof and wanted to know a bit more about how much you can expect to earn. But if you want to know even more about Swagbucks, all about the different earning opportunities, I have a full tutorial on my website and a review. I'll leave a link to that below. There you can also find a joining link and an invitation link, and if you join through an invitation link, you will actually also get the chance to get a joining bonus. The exact bonus you will get will also vary depending on the country you live in. You can also read all about that in that full tutorial, so you can find out which joining bonus you can get. So make sure to check that out below this video. But no matter what, I also hope this video helped you and helped clarify whether Swagbucks is for you or not. And if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.